and Assalamualaikum. My name is Noor binti Muhammad Ali from KIM1104F.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is HAZIRAH binti ZAKARIA and I am from KIM1104F.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sahira binti ROZI and I am from class KIM1104F.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is JAZLINA binti HASNUL. I'm from group KIM1104F.
My group members and I will show you the process of operating system installation using virtual machine based on the task given by ENCIK AHMED NOOR KADER MUSTAJIR EUSOFF for our subject IMD222 Technical Support Services and Maintenance for Information Agencies. Part 1. Preparing Installation Disk.
First step is open Google and then type Windows 10 download. Then choose this one. So as we can see, this is a software to download Windows 10. Just scroll down and then click download tool now. After finish it, just open. We need to take a minute to waiting. Okay, this is Windows 10 setup. So getting a few things ready. We need to waiting for a while. Okay, then it appear notice and license term. We need to accept it. My PC is little bit slow, so just need to wait for a while. Then what we need to do is I will choose quick installation media USB flash drive and then next. So this is to select language, architecture and edition. I will use the recommended section option only and then next. Which media to use? We can choose and I will choose USB flash drive. Next. So this is my drive. Just click add that and then next. Okay, we need to wait again. Okay, this is the progress of downloading Windows 10. So the progress will be complete within a minute, and then we just need to wait. Now my progress is 99% of downloading Windows 10. Okay, then it will verify our download, and we need to be patient to wait the progress to be complete. It will take time to okay, this is progress to create Windows 10 media. The progress will be complete within a minute, and we just need to wait. As we can see, it's appeared 98%, and then okay, just need to wait. So
Part 2. Installation of virtual machine.
You need to type download VirtualBox on Google. Click the first one. Click Windows Host to download VirtualBox. And then let's move to home page and click this PC. Click download and click VirtualBox. Click next until you find the install button. You have to wait a few minutes to finish it. And then there you go, click finish. We're done.
Part 3. Installation of operating system.
Then click new. Place the name you want to do the task at the dialog box. And then click next. And then move the meter until 1200 MB. Click next. Create a virtual machine. Next. Next. Create a virtual hard disk. Then move to setting. Click general. System. To find the empty optical disk. Click Windows and choose. Click USB. And OK. Click the start. Choose Windows and start. Search the language and next. Install now. Wait a moment. Click I don't have a product key. Choose Windows 10 Home and next. Click I accept the license and terms and next. Choose custom. Click new and apply. OK. Look at carefully the step. You have to wait for a few minutes actually while installing the Windows, but I speed the video to make it faster. After it's finished loading, you have once again to wait a moment. After that, you have to choose your region and click yes. Now let's see what's new from Windows. After that, you have to sign in the account, put your email address and password, and then you can proceed the next step. Click next. The next step is you have to choose privacy setting for your device. After you have done, click accept. You have to customize your device. If you don't want, just click skip. Backup your file with OneDrive and click next. You just click no thanks. You don't need to claim your free trial. While it's loading, you have to wait for a few minutes. And then you don't need to turn off your PC. We're almost there, and there you go. It's done.
Part 4. Setting up your operating system.
First is how to show desktop icon. First, right click and choose personalize and then themes. Okay, just scroll down and choose desktop icon setting. Click this desktop icon that you want and then just click apply. Okay, so it is shown at your PC. Next is how to change wallpaper. Okay, go to setting and then it appear, just click wallpaper that you want. So that's all for this step. Then how to install device manager, just type at the text box device manager and then okay, click what you want, right click, update drivers and choose add that and then just next. So device manager is already installed. That's all for this step. Next is how to perform this partition. First, click PC and right click, choose manage and then wait for a while. And then choose storage and click disk management. So my PC cannot delete the volume, but I will add new volume, new simple volume and then just click next. Okay, then next is to specify our size and then next. This one also can choose drive letter or parse and then next. Format partition and then next. Just click next and it finish. So it appear new volume that we have been create. We also can delete it if you want. So this is the new volume. So that's all for this step. Thank you. First step is click this PC and choose properties and then okay, and then scroll down and click advanced system settings and then choose advanced, click setting, choose advanced, click change, click that and then can custom size. After custom, just click set and OK and then OK. Just click OK, apply and then OK. Then go to setting again, advanced, just click advanced and then change. Okay, set, then click OK, click OK and then click OK. So it's already done.
How to create users account. First, at the type box, just type users and choose other users. And then click family and other users and choose add someone else to this PC. Just wait. and then I don't have this person, and click next, double click, and then I will choose add a users without Microsoft account, fulfill the detail, so in case we forgot our password, we can choose security question, and then after finish, just click next. So this is our account, user account, so you can change it. Okay, this is standard users, but we can change to administrator. Administrator is a function to control all computer, and then we can remove, or I will change back into standard users, and then okay. We also can remove if you want. Then after we create user account, just check it and it appear our new account, and then just click so we can access from other users account. So that's all. Then how to create group accounts. So first, right click at the start button and choose computer management. Okay, so my PC doesn't have groups, so I will go to my file and choose the what I have downloaded before, and then wait for minutes. So it appears users and groups. First step is click groups at the left, and then at the right click users, and then it appears group members, and I will add a guest, select, so a guest is appear, then okay. So that's all for step 2 groups account, and then I also can remove it, remove other members. Then to create group, just click group, just click group, and then you right click, create, and type group names. I will type IMD222, and then you can add description, but I will add group members. This is my group members. And then after finish, just create group, and it appear IMD222. Okay, so it's done. Then how to share folder. First, need to create new folder, so I rename it as sharing. Then right click and choose properties. Okay, it will appear, just click sharing and advanced sharing. Okay, share this folder and add a comment, and then add comment, just type everyone and permission, and then click full control. You can remove, you can add, and okay, and then just click apply. Okay, so we need to check security part. So this is the folder share.
And then just that's all for this step. Next is how to run Task Manager. So open the task box and then click Setting and then type Task Manager. Okay, click here. So this is my Task Manager in my PC. We can know the CPU, memory, disk, network, and then we can know the performance of our PC, app history, startup, users details, and service. So that's all for this step. So last part is how to run Device Manager. Just open Type Tool text box and search this Device Manager and then open it. So this is my Device Manager in my PC. Can know the audio inputs and outputs, security device, Bluetooth, computer, disk drive, and so on. So here the last step to run Device Manager. That's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion. To finish up, everybody can do operating system establishment effectively on the grounds that there are a ton of data rule and instructional exercises video that are believed assist individuals with doing the establishment. As today, innovation has development we need to ensure that we are not abandoned and continue to get familiar with the new things to stay up with the current circumstance. That's all from us. Thank you.